I messed up. Things to bring. To Brazil. Water. In this case, I'm drinking mineral water. Mineral water. Okay, you don't have to bring water from wherever you're coming from, but just stay hydrated. Sunblock. You don't have to bring sunblock from somewhere else, but make sure, because the sun is brutal. You know, it's mid-February right now. Actually, late February now. And the sun could really burn you. Also, if you saw the beginning of the footage, adapters. Yes, it's the one with the three. It looks kind of like the European one, but one is slightly off in the center towards the bottom a little bit, but they're three circles. When I went up in the train to go see Jesus, they did ask for a passport, but everywhere else, I carried my Vax card everywhere. Didn't need it. My passport only there. Your credit card. I did exchange cash just for street vendors. Even the street vendors have little credit card readers. I don't really trust those, but anyway. Restaurants, even the vendors at the Dome, they all have credit card readers. So I've spent already in 3 days less than $100 worth of leals, because everybody takes card. You know, I pay with, you know, the app. If I tip on Uber, I tip them on the app. Super convenient. Like Mexico, hey, all your taqueros should have card readers. What else? What else do you need to bring to Brazil? Oh, either a raincoat or a poncho, especially if you're gonna, you know, see Carnaval. Sometimes there's like showers at night and they're like super random. So a poncho or an umbrella. That's if you don't mind, because it's hot outside. Just a little rain. It doesn't bother me, but you know, I actually brought a poncho, but I didn't use it. I haven't used it yet. Weather, it was between 80 and 90, give or take. But if you do chill under a tree, it's not humid like Florida. If you do chill under a tree, it's a little cooler. In the shade, it's a little cooler. When you go to Florida, when you go in the shade, or Tennessee, oh man, Tennessee was super humid when I went. If you chill under a tree, like you don't feel a cool breeze or a nice little, you know, no, it's still hot under the tree. But here it's nice. So another good tip that I have to share with you guys is order your Uber in advance. Not necessarily an hour in advance, but it just may take a while for your Uber to actually accept your ride. Or you can also pay a little more for like Comfort or Uber Black, because Uber X tends to like not get accepted right away. What else? I think that's pretty much it about Ubers.